Well, guys, we're in the shop again. Streams are still dry, only it's colder now than the banks are froze where they were damp, so can't do any recirculating. And it's really warming up though. I think this morning it was only, it didn't get real cold. I think it was 38 degrees, which is a lot better than it was. We were in the 20s here for a while in Arizona, in northern part of Arizona anyhow. The Valley, Phoenix area, is supposed to be in the 80s this week, like 81 and for like 4 days. We're not that lucky up here. We get the wind and we'll probably get 20 degrees cooler than that. We'll probably be 60 with a little wind blowing. Anyhow, that's the weather forecast for Mary, Arizona for today. It's cold and we're inside, and I decided to do a electric foundry today. I've had this for quite a few years and I've done a lot of melts with it. And what I don't remember ever doing was an aluminum melt. So that's the plan for today. If you look here, right here, this is going to be the starter aluminum. This is all extruded aluminum. This pile will get us, after I get a puddle started in the crucible in here, then we'll start putting this in, because this is a lot slower than the propane foundry. And these are the tools. This is what I'll use to put all the aluminum in here. This is what I pull the crucible out with. Similar stuff, it's a little different. Again, because this is really hot stuff. Welding gloves, these are the pair, I think I've been using these. Yeah, they're burnt. If they're burnt, I've been using them. And we'll use this small little mold, and I'll have a total of 10 ounces of aluminum here. So I think I can get 10 ounces in that. It might not even be enough. I've never tried pouring that much aluminum. But we'll see if that crucible can do it, maybe this can do it, and maybe we'll have a bar. But it'll be extruded aluminum, not melted tin cans, or aluminum cans, I should say. They're not tin. Okay, enough jabber. So I've got the foundry heating up. If you look down here, I'm set at melt point is 660 on aluminum. And I'm set at 761. I like to go 100 over. And I'm about 87 degrees centigrade now. Okay, so I'll be back when we're ready to do some. All right, guys, like I said, the electrics are much slower heating and doing everything than the propane is. We've been 20 minutes now, and we're at 614. My set temperature is 761 here, and we're at 616. So, and what I've done now, and I don't ever do this with propane, but if you look at the top here, this is going to be my starter aluminum right here. All of this laying up here. I'm going to preheat that, because once you cool down the crucible inside these electrics, it takes like 10 minutes to heat it back up again. They're just not that fast. And maybe it's my machine, I don't know, but I just know that it's not fast enough to suit me. And I don't know what the temperature is here. Let's check it real quick. This is 208. So, well, that one I just put on there, so it's only about 190. So that's preheating. That's good. The only problem being I've got to open the lid once I'm up to my temperature, because we're almost at melt temperature for aluminum, and we'll go about 100 degrees over. All right, be back. All right, guys, I'm going to try to give you a view inside of the foundry here. This knob isn't real hot yet, so you should be able to see in there. Maybe get down a little bit lower. And it says it's 7:59. That crucible's just barely red, so I'm hoping that's going to work. All right, we'll be back. All right, guys, like excuse me, like other pours, you have to stir this material, and I've got specifically for this graphite rods that we'll do this with. So this will give us an idea of where we're at here also. Oh, good. Good. Yeah, we got a little puddle in there. All right. That means we can put more in. And these are preheated also. And it's a very little puddle. Come on to that, come on you. We'll close them back up. Then I drop that. Oh, that didn't drop much. Wow, that's really good. What I like about the graphite rod is the aluminum fell right off. So that's a good thing. Put this away now. I don't need the temperature gauge anymore. And we're going to shut you off for a while. So we're almost ready to pour. Be back. All right, guys, I'm preheating the aluminum again. And dual purpose now. It'll preheat the mold at the same time. All right, that's enough of that. I'll be back. Guys, I just loaded the second batch of preheated aluminum. It's in the foundry now. And I just stirred it before, and as you can see, there's more aluminum on my rod, and look at it fall off. There it goes. Can't see it. Yeah, you can. All right, so I'm going to put more aluminum up here, preheat this mold again, preheat the aluminum, brew one more batch, and then we'll try to pour. Be back. Guys, I just preheated and stirred the aluminum in there. We're liquid again. That took about, it takes about 10 minutes. I just preheated the mold and this aluminum again. So we're going to put these in. Wow, that one went right down. Holy cow. That was cool. There it goes, look. There it goes. I love it. Yeah, it's nice. A lot quieter than the propane. So when these are totally melted, what we'll do is I'll stir one more time. And I'll preheat this mold one more time that you can't see. Yeah, I just dropped a whole bunch of degrees. Anyhow, I won't show me pulling it out of there, out of the foundry, but I'll show me pouring right there. Okay, be back. I just did the final stir. I'm totally melted there. That should be 10 ounces minus like right here. I just stirred with that. I'm going to preheat this a little bit because it was at 485. Then we'll pour. You do 2 gloves for the pour. Okey-dokey. Here we go. Ooh, we still got some in there. Well, guys, this is a very nice mold, very nice pour in this mold. I thought that this mold would hold 10 ounces, and I lost, that might only be 8 ounces. I don't know. I'm going to go weigh what I spilled and see what that comes out to be. We're letting the foundry cool off now. I'll get some water. We'll dump this in water because he is really hot. And be back. All right, guys. So with this that I had left over here and this here, it comes real close to 2 ounces. So this bar should weigh in the neighborhood of 8 ounces. Let's see if it wants to come out of here yet. It does not. Oh yeah, I love it. You just want to pick this thing up, you know, and we'll do this, lay it on the middle table, let it cool there for a second, and I'll be back. All right, guys, it was a wrestling match, but I did get it out, so looks like a really good bar. Look at the bottom, looks like a mirror. So we're gonna cool it. Still hot, eh? Okay, so everything is hot on the table now. So we'll do our tongs here and take him out. Can I touch it? Ooh, steam. Yeah, maybe not yet. Let's see what he is. 115, 117. Not bad. It's 115 degrees. We'll let that cool off for just a little bit more, and we'll weigh him and see what he weighs. Be back. Guys, we're set at pounds and ounces. Maybe I'll put down just to ounces. Ounces. I'm guessing 8. Exactly 8. All right, 8 ounces of a very nice aluminum bar. So that's the end of this one. And when you get this, I'll probably be just coming back from Christmas. So Merry Christmas to everybody who's watching my channel. I really appreciate you stopping by and watching. I can't tell you how much I appreciate all your comments and everything. So anyhow, thank you very much. Thank you for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, a great comment. Come back again. God bless you this New Year's. Okay guys, like the sign says, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with a friend, subscribe, ring the bell for future notifications, give a great comment, and definitely come back soon.